In this episode, I want to walk you through how to navigate inside of an Illustrator document. There are two main tools used for navigation inside your document, the Zoom tool and the Hand tool. On your toolbar, you will find the Zoom tool, which is a magnifying glass. Select it or press Z on your keyboard. Notice the magnifying glass has a plus sign in the middle of it. This means you will zoom in. Place your cursor over the Illustrator logo. Left-click once to zoom in. As long as you see that plus sign, you will continue to manually zoom in on the object by left-clicking it. If you hold the left mouse button down continuously, it will auto-zoom in. To zoom out, hold down the Alt key on the keyboard. Notice it changes to a minus sign. Click once to progressively zoom out. You can keep clicking if you like, but this can be very slow. Go ahead and let go of the Alt key on your keyboard. Another way to zoom out is to click and drag at a diagonal to the upper or lower left corner. To zoom back in, click and continuously drag at a diagonal to the upper or lower right corner. Again, that initial click is the point you will zoom in or out from. So remember this, left is out and right is in, and always drag to the corners. Now, if you found that to be rather difficult, let me show you one other way that you can zoom in and out. In your upper menu bar, go to View and look at the keyboard shortcut for zoom in and zoom out. On a PC, it's Control plus the plus sign to zoom in. To zoom out, you want to press Control plus the minus sign. Now, an important shortcut that you will want to memorize in order to get back to seeing everything on the screen, Fit Artboard in Window. Notice the keyboard shortcut, Control plus 0 if you're on a PC, Command plus 0 if you're on a Mac. Go ahead and do that. Again, notice how it brings everything, your entire document, back into the workspace. If you ever get lost and need a quick zoom out, this is the best way to get back, Control plus 0. Now notice the white text under the letter I. Using the Zoom tool, click on the white text and pull diagonally down or up into the right corner. On occasion, you may find that you need to move around your artboard in a zoomed-in fashion to work on specific details. Now on the left side, go back to your toolbar. Locate the Zoom tool. Right-click it to see the extra tool sitting behind it. Notice the hand. Go ahead and select the hand. Now click and drag to move around the document window. Note, this does not move the elements on your artboard, it only moves the window from which you're viewing. Go ahead and click Z on your keyboard. This will return you to the Zoom tool. Now, a better way to access the Hand tool is to press and hold down the space bar. This allows you to temporarily and quickly change to the Hand tool and move your window over to the exact area that you need. And remember, when you need to zoom out all the way, press Control plus 0. And that's really it for basic navigation. Learn to use those keyboard shortcuts to increase your workflow.